Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing our Ipsy Glambag Plus unboxing. So typically I do an Ipsy Glambag Plus versus a regular Ipsy bag, but it is September 18th, and I have not gotten my regular Ipsy bag, and I want to film these videos, so I will just film that one its own separate video. I couldn't wait anymore, you know. I'm already getting my boxes so much later in the month that it's like all my videos just go up the last week of the month, so it's fine. Ipsy will just get its own little special video, and I'll do one for the Glambag Plus, which is so weird because normally I get my regular Ipsy bag first and then my Glambag Plus second, but whatever. We're not talking about it anymore. Okay, so this is a $25 a month subscription. In here we should have 5 full-size products catered to our beauty profile. My profile is a more neutral, comfortable with makeup sort of profile. I don't know why I'm telling you that because I'm just doing a regular Ipsy unboxing. I'm just so used to the way I do it, I guess. Okay, so when I take it out of the little bag, it's like this. It's like super cute. It's like a maroon corduroy, almost velvety sort of thing. I think it's like corduroy is what I would call it. Really cute, really love it. I was excited for them to change the bag up, but I can't tell you how much I love these drawstring bags. Like, this is so cute. It doesn't even say Ipsy on it. Oh, well, I mean, except for like right here. It's like got this little tag right there. But they're just so cute. Like, I feel like I'm really into these. Let me know, though. Do you guys like the changes? I like to hear what you guys think. Me personally, though, I'm a big fan of them. As always, if I don't know something's cruelty-free while I'm filming, I will put that on the screen right here, as well as the estimated, nope, not sample, as well as the full-size value of it. The card used to like tell us things about it, but now it doesn't. So, you know, I'll research for them. I'll do their job for them. I'll let you know the value of things. Yeah, so the theme for this month is Better Together, or Good Vibes. Good Vibes, I guess. There's that. With Ipsy, you do get to pick like 1 or 2 items. I don't think I picked anything for this. I didn't pick anything from this. I never pick. I'm really bad. Dude, this time I got the email though, and it's like, go pick, and I went there and it's like, just kidding. It's like so stupid. I really hate it. Anyways, the first thing I'm pulling out is from Wander Beauty. This is the Highline Liquid Liner. I feel like I have tried this before. I can't remember if I liked it or not. I'm not typically like the biggest fan of like liquid liners. I like a pencil liner and like a little twist up thing. A twist up liner, I guess is what you call it. But anyways, let's take a look at this. Whoop! Oh, I almost dropped that. So I guess I can show you the packaging. I don't know why I'm doing my job all wrong. So there it is. You can't even read anything because it's reflective. Good job, Sarah. And then there's that. Just a felt tip liner. Very black. So, yeah. Not much to say about it other than it's a liquid liner. Okay, moving right along. Okay, so the next thing I'm pulling out is from Star Skin, which is cruelty-free. I've tried a couple masks from this brand before. They're fine. Nothing wrong with them. This one is the Glow Star. Oh, a foaming peeling puff. This isn't a mask. What is this? Sorry, this is exciting. Oh. Okay, so there's this one. This one is very different. It's not even a sheet mask. So it says, cleanse face and pat dry, tear open both sachets, and pour peeling liquid into larger sachet. Add a few drops of water into the sachet. Squish to work up a lather. Gently massage skin into circular motion. So there's like a little, you basically use this outer packaging, and there's a little package in there, and you dump it into this big package and add a little bit of water, and then there's like a little puff. I'll show you the picture on the bag. See her? There's like a little puff in there. Maybe I'll just take it out because this is not liquid in here. Okay, I'm really excited. So yeah, you got this, and then you just add a little bit of water, and you pour it into that big one, and then you foam it up, and then you take this and you puff it on your face. That's interesting. It's So gently massage into skin in a circular motion for 2 to 3 minutes, concentrating on forehead and nose. Then rinse thoroughly with water and pat dry. Puff can be stored in sachet for up to 3 times use. Interesting. I don't know the point of this. Like, I don't know what it's supposed to, is it supposed to like exfoliate? I don't know. But that is a like totally different concept, and I am really pumped to try that. Okay, and the other mask I don't think is as fun, unfortunately. This is a close-up firming biocellulose face mask. There's that. Not as fun, but this is so cool. Really excited for that. Where are you going, man? I'll let you out in a minute. We're almost done. Okay, let's pull out this next thing. This is from Pure Heals, which I've never heard of nor tried. Pure Heals by Nature Village, the Centella 80 Eye Cream. There's the packaging. Very, very simple. It is K-Beauty, which I should tell you now, in case you've never seen one of my videos, K-Beauty is very, very hard for me to find out whether it's cruelty-free or not. So unfortunately, as of right now, I don't know if it's cruelty-free. I'm not going to use it just because I don't really know anything about it. And if I'm able to find out if it's cruelty-free, I'll put it on the screen for you. So there's that, just an eye cream. Okay, let's see what this is. Okay, so this is from Space Case Cosmetics. This is the, it just says Space Case Cosmetics Quad. So Space Case is cruelty-free. I've gotten a few, I think, eyeshadows or highlighters from them. I think this is a highlighter palette. Just judging by the colors that is showing on the back. Okay, so yeah, there it is. Those are, to me, definitely highlights, just looking at them, but they could be eyeshadows. I don't know. Maybe they are eyeshadows, because that last color is pretty, yeah, I don't know. I don't know what they are. I guess you could use it for either. So there they are on my hand. I'll go ahead and, I did not plan for this. Okay, so there's a highlight, or sorry, an eyeliner in the middle, but there they are. I would say they're highlighters, but they could be just like eyeshadow toppers as well. So, I don't know. It's not, oh, it is eyeshadow. Okay, I thought it was a highlight, maybe, and that last color kind of threw me off. So, if I would have read that this was an eyeshadow palette before I swatched it, I wouldn't have swatched it, just because they're literally all shimmers. So I guess I would just use it as like a eyeshadow topper. But I do like this brand, and the packaging is like super adorable. Like, how can you not love that little UFO? Super, super cute. Okay, looks like I have one last item. This is from Janesa, which is cruelty-free. This is the Color and Face Silk Bronzing Base, Sunlit Glow Bronzer and Brush Duo. There's the packaging. Kind of boring. Okay. So here's the brush. It just is called Silk Bronzer. Definitely like a contour sort of brush. And here is the bronzer. Mine is in the shade Sunlit Glow, which I think I already said. Ooh, yee. So it's like a cream bronzer, which I'm not like really experienced in. I don't think I've ever even tried a cream bronzer. Like, the color is not bad. It is a little like orange. You can see it on my finger there. I don't like the way it smells. I don't know how I feel about this. It's light enough where I guess I could like toy around with it to see how I feel about it. I'm not great at contouring. It's not something I'm into. But I mean, it says it's a bronzer, but to me this is like contour. So I will have to like mess around with it. I feel like going into winter is like a good time for me to mess around with it because it's about to get super dry, so I'm gonna want some like liquid things on my face, if that makes sense. Curious to give it a try. Like, that's kind of what's fun about this is something I would never buy. It's something so totally out of my comfort zone. And now I've dipped my finger into it, so now I'm sort of like forced to try it. So maybe it'll make me more comfortable with it. So I'll give it a whirl. I'll try anything once. Not anything. There's some things I won't try ever, but you know what I mean. So, you know, I'll give it a go. So that's everything I got in my Glambag Plus. I think my favorite thing is this weird mask. Like, it's just something so different. I'm also kind of excited to try the bronzer / contour thing. It's something different for me. Everything else was, you know, pretty meh. I don't like the eyeshadow quad. I just don't like that they're all shimmers. So I would probably actually just go ahead and use it as a highlight quad just because I've already, you know, dipped my fingers into it. So yeah, it's not like totally up my alley, but I will give it a try. I'll see if I like it. Okay, so now it's time to hear from you. Let me know in the comments below if you get the Glambag Plus, what you got in your bag. If we got anything the same. I always like to see, you know, hear what everybody else got. I don't watch other unboxings. 1, so I'm not spoiled, and 2, so I don't like just constantly see the same things and then make the same things, you know what I mean? So I like to know what other people got in their bags, and I just don't watch that many unboxings. Every once in a while, like, I'll watch one, but like, it's very, very rare for me. So let me know right down there all your thoughts, opinions, all that good stuff. If you guys like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up for me. If you want to see more videos like this for me, more unboxings. I would say more dogs, but now she's literally sleeping on the floor because she's like ready to get out of this room. It's probably hot in here because of this light. But yeah, if you want to see more of that, go ahead and hit the subscribe button right down there. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.